Bad health comes from the root word whole. That means for somebody to feel healthy, the person must be complete and have a sense of wholeness within themselves. For this to happen, our body must be vibrant, our physical energies must be vibrant, our mind must be joyful, emotions must be exuberant. Only then will a person feel a sense of wholeness.
The WHO in 2019 defined health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So when you think about it as that, you realize that beyond the physical, there are other aspects that are very, very important. You need wholeness, you need a fullness of health. When you look at Ghana, you realize that a lot of people are religious. So then the spiritual becomes very, very important to us. And when people are sound in that aspect of their life, then everything is sound. And when you're talking about mental health, you can tie it with the soul. And we define the soul as being your emotions, as well as your cognitive, which is your thought processes. Often we realize there's a connection between all three of them. The way someone thinks impacts how they feel, which impacts their action, which impacts their whole well-being. And so it's really, really important to take care of all these things.
Your physical and psychological health can be very easily managed if you are in touch with the elements of nature: water, soil, light. The more exposed you are to these, the more physically and psychologically stronger you become. This, at least, must happen for every individual.
Essentially, mental health looks at the connection between the mind and behavior and how that connection affects, the integral aspects of our lives. In very lay terms, we are talking about how the mind affects the body in numerous ways, and how this mind-body connection is rippled in the specific domains that contributes to our well-being. So we are looking at your decision-making skills, we are looking at how it affects your career, for instance, we are looking at how it affects your family life, we are looking at how it even affects your medical health as well. And we are also looking at how an understanding of this mind-body relationship has rippling effect on even our interpersonal relationships.
When you use your law, you have a dual sense of loss in life, and you feel like it's a broken heart. So